Hi, it's Chris, and we've been up in the Grooms cemetery resetting stones, repairing stones, and cleaning stones. I'm pretty excited. It's starting to look pretty good. But let me show what it looked like when we started and what we've been doing. First, some history about the church. The Clifton Park Methodist Episcopal Church, that was later known as the Grooms Church, had its beginnings in 1788. The Grooms Church was the mother church of 5 other churches in the area from 1825 to 1852. There were 3 different buildings on the site. The last one was built in 1834, and it was the one in this picture. It's just a plain building with no steeple, painted white. In the late 1950s, the congregation merged with the Shenandoah United Methodist Church. The building was leased out to a furniture store, and it burned in 1975. 2 years ago, I restored Amity Reformed Church's cemetery in Fisher Ferry, and it was bothering me when I drove past the Grooms Church. You could see all the stones that were knocked down and broken. The town's Historic Preservation Committee put me in contact with people at the Shen United Methodist Church. The church members put together a proposal to fund the materials for the project if I would help with the equipment and the expertise. The committee got right to work and ordered all our supplies, and with a bunch of volunteers we got started. Our process was to use the backhoe and lifting straps to move the monuments out of the way. We then used the backhoe to dig down 2+ feet to put down crush run as a foundation. We then tamped and leveled the gravel and put the base stone back in. Once we had the base reset, we would use the strap and lift the stone back into the base. Using this process, we reset about 60 gravestones and about 40 footstones. There were quite a few stones that were broken in pieces, but we used special epoxies and special mortar, and we were able to put them back together, and it's amazing how well they came out. I'm really surprised. We used D2 cleaner to clean all 214 stones. It's taking a while, but the stones are starting to clear up. We were extremely lucky that in 1877, Durkee recorded all the epitaphs in the Grooms Cemetery, and they're listed as the order he saw them, which is really useful for when we were looking for missing stones or ones we couldn't read. We used this information to add and update all the information in Find a Grave. We also added new photos for all the gravestones. Well, this has been a really rewarding project, and I've met some really great people. We still have a lot to do, but I'm really proud of what we've accomplished. If this was helpful, please hit like and subscribe, and have a great day.